everyone. Today we would like to present to you one of the most important aspects in doing business nowadays. It is corporate social responsibility. Our presentation will be divided into three parts. First, we will go through the definition and types of CSR. Then we will illustrate our topic by a case study. And finally, we will give you the benefits and the importance of CSR.
Corporate social responsibility (CSR) can be understood as a management concept and a process that integrates social and environmental concerns in one business operations. CSR is a process with the aim to embrace the responsibility for company action and encourage the positive impact towards activities on environment, communities, employees, and stakeholders. Now we move on to the type of CSR. The first type that I would like to introduce about is the economic responsibility. Firstly, financial performance is a reality in every business. Risk management is extremely important in avoiding the corruption of a company or corporations. Resource efficiency is necessary in order to save the energy and the production cost. In the matter of relationship, supplier relation and customer satisfaction is very crucial for the reputation of a business. Move on to the ecological responsibility. We attempt to protect our environment. Ecological responsibility includes the 5 small ranges. The first range is spill prevention. The second range is energy saving. The third one is climate protection and waste management. Last but not least, the biodiversity. The social responsibility plays a key role in CSR. It includes health and safety, education and training, labor standard, equal opportunity for everyone, and last but not least, work-life balance. In order to help you understand more about CSR, we would like to present a small example of how one business executes its CSR policy. goal. Next, Ms. Long, the Vice President. And I am the Director.
I'm from Business News. Could you give us some information related to the pollution of Saigon River?
Thank you for your questions. Actually, we are facing an accusation of water pollution by discharging wastewater into fields and rivers surrounding our plants. However, this problem has been investigated and we are trying to solve the problem.
I'm from BBC News. I wonder whether your company care for people as well as environment or not. I would be interested in knowing what your company's CSR policy is.
That's a very good question. So let me explain. Our most important responsibility is to fulfill the improvement of our social, environmental, and economical performance, while ensuring the sustainability and the operational success of our company. The corporate social responsibility approach is our main guiding principle in this matter. We evaluate all the operations and the impacts on the 10 countries in which we operate, while considering the social, environmental, and ethical impacts.
Hi, I'm from Social Journal. Would you mind answering my question? Are there social or environmental risks associated with the life cycle of your product, which need to be managed from the design and production to use and disposal? Thank you.
At Mr. Ryan Bond, we have to minimize the environmental impact from our packaging, manufacturing, and recycled material use. We are also reducing the material amount and energy used in package manufacturing. We also increasing the material recycling as well as the food safety reusable and technology allowed.
Could you tell us how you measure the environmental impacts of this area of your business?
Monitor the environmental impact and target the performance that exceeds legal requirements. In addition, we prioritize energy efficiency in every area of our operations, from manufacturing to services and from distribution to sales. We measure our carbon footprint and take the necessary measures to reduce it.
Do you assure that your company is executing well the environmental protection policy?
Well, we do believe so. We put the issue of environment protection within fundamental to our business. At the heart of our ethical code and aims to be an exemplary company in this regard.
May I ask how you are dealing with the contaminated water which has been leaking from your damaged pipes?
We're using purification tablets to clean the river. When the tablets mix into the river, it will dissolve effectively the contaminated water. In the meantime, we are also trying to finish fishing the damaged pipes as soon as possible and install the necessary device so that we can stop the contaminated leaking.
Do you mind if I ask why your corporation hasn't taken any actions to solve the problem sooner?
We are aware that opening an investigation to find the cause of pollution is a time-consuming process. That's why we have no choice but carry out temporary solution to minimize the effect of our disposal waters. We have been waiting for the final result of how much the water has been polluted to apply the best method of treatment to the river.
tell me what your short-term solutions for this scandal are? Do you have any plan for the future that the problem won't happen again?
Up to the present, we have asked the environmental specialists to help us clean the river with the latest technology. For the long term, we will apply a program that combines the ecological protection and water management. The program promotes water quality purification and pollutant control to effectively ease river pollution.
Could I ask what your policy of compensation for those affected areas?
With our policy, we definitely offer suitable compensation for the citizen who has been affected by pollution.
Time for question is over. Thank you for your consideration.
So that is our business case for corporate social responsibility. Now let's see what benefits that CSR brings to businesses. The first benefit is to win new business, enhance relationship with customers and suppliers, attract, retain and maintain a happy workforce. Employees are motivated and they will be more productive. The next benefit is media interest and good reputation. CSR also help access to funding opportunities and investments and enhance the influence in the industry. And the last benefit is to save energy and operating costs. So we have seen CSR is so important. It has significant effects on companies' goals, its reputation, which is a crucial marketing asset and cannot be underestimated. So that is the end of our group presentation. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, thank you for listening.